Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I quickly explain a simple and great way to extract text from an image using the built-in snipping tool on Windows 11. This is a super useful feature, especially if you need to copy text from screenshots, scanned documents, or images without manually typing everything. So I'll show you step by step how to easily extract text from any image. The first thing you need to do is open the Snipping Tool app. Type Snipping Tool in the search bar, and from the search results, click Open to launch the tool. Now we'll learn how to use the Snipping Tool to cut text from any image. Open any image you have that contains the text you want to extract. For example, if you want to extract this text from the image open on your screen, open the Snipping Tool and make sure you're on the camera icon on the top bar. Then, click the New button. Once you click the New button, the tool will disappear. Now use the mouse to select the part of the screen containing the text you want to extract. The tool will automatically detect the text in the image and select it in the application. Once the screenshot is captured, click the Text Actions icon in the app's top bar. This will automatically detect the text in the image thanks to the Text Actions process. After this process, you can easily copy and paste the text. Now, right-click on the selected text and choose Select All. After selecting the entire text, right-click again and select Copy Text. The desired text is now copied. You can now paste the copied text into any text file or Word file and edit or save it, depending on what you want and your goal in extracting text from the image. As you can see, Windows 11's Snipping Tool makes text extraction incredibly simple and efficient. It doesn't require external applications, complex programs, or many steps. You can easily use this method now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and technical lessons. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.